boys, girls, welcome to Guitar Guitar. Rilès, I'm not sure. Always, I'm asking myself, what is his name? He's great, that is what I know. And he does this song called Don't Lie. 3 chords, and they just roll in the same way, a 4-chord song. In the same way through the entire song. So let's go into it. No need for any capo here, very simple. Let's go over 3 chords needed. And you have first the E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. Next chord is A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And the third and final is B7, which is a bar chord. So you play index finger on the 2nd fret, you push down all strings except for the last E string in the bass here, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. And the chord progression for this song is E minor, A minor, B7, and back to E minor. So both starts and ends on E minor. Now, let's go into the strumming pattern. It's a pretty long one, but not too hard still. Let's learn it. So grab the E minor chord, and one round goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. Okay, then comes down, up, down. And then finally you're gonna end with clap down. So if you put this together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. And a couple rounds. And so on. But we're gonna change some chords here, and you're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord. I already mentioned the chord progression, so E minor 1, A minor 1, B7 1, and back to E minor 1. And then you just roll that. So a couple of rounds like this. Again. And so on, guys. That is how you handle it. Don't lie. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.